What's going on, guys? With warm weather approaching, I feel it's as good a time as any to talk about some grooming products that guys are skipping that they shouldn't be. So that's exactly what we're going to do. 5 grooming products that you're probably skipping that you shouldn't be. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. Today we're going to be talking about grooming products that guys should not be skipping. If that sounds interesting to you, please drop a like, click subscribe. We're a young channel trying to grow. Every like, comment, share helps us to do just that, and I can't thank you enough. But we talk about more than just that on this channel. We talk about pop culture, grooming, fashion, style, hair care, fragrance, the whole shebang. So please drop a like, click subscribe. Now let's get on to today's topic. So all of the items on today's list are going to be from Pete and Pedro, my favorite grooming company. I use their products all the time and I highly recommend them. But the truth is that everything I'm going to mention here today, you can get elsewhere. You don't have to go with Pete and Pedro, but I think you should. Okay. So the first thing we're going to talk about that still surprises me that a lot of guys don't use is body wash. I don't understand how, in 2025 guys are not using body wash. A lot of guys tell me that they think it's feminine, that it's girly to use. Not at all. Body wash is more effective than bar soap. It gets you cleaner. I mean, I understand, you may have been using bar soap all your life, but it's time to move on to body wash. So this next one I was guilty of not using for the longest time either, but I'm glad I've learned the error of my ways. Conditioner. You need to condition your hair after you shampoo. Shampoo strips your hair of all the dirt and oil and grime, but it also takes some of the nutrients too. Conditioner will replace those nutrients, not just from the wash, but from daily pollutants, the sun. One thing I will recommend is, it's not even a recommendation, you should be doing this, a separate product. Shampoo and conditioner. Avoid 2-in-1s or 3-in-1s. Sometimes it's shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all in one package. Those are no good for you. You're doing yourself more harm than good. 3 separate products: shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And this is going to be just a little bit of a bonus tip. I know we're pretty early in the video, but also you need a second shampoo. All right. Some kind of clarifying shampoo. This is the Revive from Pete and Pedro. It is a clarifying exfoliating shampoo. These you only use like once a week. So like there's daily shampoos which you use daily, and then there's these clarifying shampoos that you're only supposed to use like maybe once or twice a week, and they help get rid of extra buildup and sometimes like a little bit of dandruff, exfoliate a little bit of the scalp or whatever. It's not a dandruff remedy by any means, but it does help, if you catch my drift. So yeah, add a second shampoo into your routine. We talked about argan oil before. This is another hidden gem. They call it liquid gold for a reason. Add a few drops, it'll help nourish your hair, acts as a natural heat protectant. It'll add a nice minor shine. It's not going to be like, depending on how much you use, it won't be like super shiny. It'll just have like a healthy glow. It's something that you want to use for your hair. It has helped my hair out immensely. A lot of products have argan oil in it, but it always helps to have just that extra layer of defense. This next one is for the guys with the beards. You need to be using a beard oil, okay? I can't tell you how many guys I know that claim to be all about their beards and don't use any products for it and have problems. Beard oil, much like the argan oil, is going to soften the hair, nourish it, make it more soft to the touch. If you suffer with beard drift, which is like basically dandruff but from your chin, this will help with that. Plus, it comes in a wide variety of scents. There's unscented ones. There's ones that will match your scent profile, so it'll match like your deodorant or cologne if you so choose, or you can just get one that has a completely unique scent. It's up to you. This is the woodsy one from Pete and Pedro, but like I said, there's unscented, and other brands and different kinds of scents. So just explore and find one that works for you. All right, now this last one we've talked a bunch about before in this channel, but fragrance, right? I cannot believe it's 2025 and so many guys still are not rocking a fragrance, like 80% of guys, which is crazy to me because women have a stronger sense of smell than we do, and they attribute a good smell with a good memory. So if you're leaving a good impression, why not compound that with a good scent? You know, a lot of guys will have a hard time talking to a girl and they looking for liquid courage and they spend tons of money at a bar. Get this kind of liquid courage instead. Trust me, it will pay off. Now, this is Icon by Pete and Pedro, inspired by Creed, Melissa May, Imperial. It is a great scent, but like every other item on this list I've mentioned, you know, there are alternatives, and there are alternative fragrances at Pete and Pedro. There are some that are not Pete and Pedro that we've talked about. We talk about a bunch of fragrances. You can just take a look at some of the different recommendations. So definitely give it a shot. I really think you guys are missing out if you're not wearing a fragrance. Alright guys, those are the 5 grooming items you should not be skipping, like anytime, seriously, but especially coming up for the warmer weather. There'll be a link for Pete and Pedro down in the description if you want to check it out. But with that, we will see you guys next time. So please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm. Ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. The website is really the hub of everything we do here. You'll find offers from some of the partners we've worked with over the years. You will find our Amazon storefront where I've curated a lot of items that I think will help you out in your everyday life, like, you know, different kinds of fragrances or body washes or just a whole bunch of stuff. So please do go check it out. And with that, we will see you guys next time. Take care. Peace.